Nigerian Senate has expressed heartfelt condolences to victims of a recent windstorm that ravaged 4 local government areas in Nassarawa State. During Thursday's plenary session, Senator Mohammed Anau of Nassarawa South passionately raised this issue, highlighting the devastating impact of communities. Senator Mohammed brought attention to the tragic aftermath of a destructive windstorm that swept through All, Doma, Kefi and other areas, resulting in 1 fatality, numerous injuries and extensive properties damage among the structures affected, residences, educational institutions, places of worship and vital electrical infrastructure.
Communities in the senatorial district that affected areas include Kiana, Aloshi communities in Kiana local government, Agbashi and Ipono communities in Doma local government, as well as Away town in Away local government area.
Prayer 2. Urge the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, to send immediate relief materials to the affected victims in Away, Aloshi, Kiana, Abashi, and Ikponu communities of Nassarawa South Senatorial District. Those in support of prayer 2 say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.